Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you an application which you can use to scan your final exam papers. The application's name is Clear Scanner. Clear Scanner is available in the Google Play Store and Apple App Store, and this application is totally free. This application does a very good job at scanning the documents. So if you are totally new to scanning documents using your mobile phone, you can try this application. So to open the application, we are going to click on the icon that you can see on the screen. The application is now open and you can see some documents which I have scanned using this application. To start scanning, you have to open the camera. So to open the camera, click on the camera icon that you can see at the bottom of the screen. The camera is now open and you can see a sample exam paper which I have prepared. So I'm going to scan this document and show it to you. So take a picture and it will show on the screen. To select the region that you want to include in your scanned document, so you can drag around these squares and circles and select the appropriate region. So just take the picture that I have taken. If there are unnecessary areas, you can adjust the region and omit those areas out. So once you are satisfied with the region that you have selected, you have to click on the check icon that you can see at the bottom of the screen. So once you select this check icon, the image will be processed. So you can see the image is now processed and it is like a scanned document. If you want to keep this scanned document as a picture, you have to select picture or photo from here. Or if you want to keep it in its original form, you can select original from here. But remember, the final exam papers, we require it as a scanned document, so make sure that you have selected docs from these options. So now the scanned document or the preview that you got, you are satisfied with it. Now you can select again OK by clicking on the check icon that you can see at the bottom of the screen. So now you have selected the check mark and again you can see you are back to the document 43 screen. So in this document 43 screen, what you are seeing is this is one document. Okay, if I go back, we go back to the documents list. If I click open again, this is the document 43. So you can name it final exam and you can even write your name. Here in this video I'm using a sample name, so I will write Ali Ibrahim and click OK. So just I have now scanned the first page of the exam paper. Now you will have multiple pages in the exam paper, right? So if you want to add a page to this document, again click on the camera icon that you see at the bottom of the screen. And again take a picture. Select the region and again press the check icon at the bottom of the screen and the image gets processed. Again make sure that you have selected docs from the menu and then click OK by pressing on the check icon at the bottom of the screen. Now you can see that I have added a second page to this document. Again you might have another page or multiple more pages to add. So again click on the camera icon, take a picture, adjust the region, and click OK by pressing on the check icon. Again, make sure that you have selected docs, and again select the check icon, and you are back to the document. So you can see now we have scanned the 3 pages or 4 pages of your final exam paper. When you scan your final exam paper, there might be more than 4 or 5 pages, so make sure that you have added all the pages. And if you have scanned the documents, or if you have scanned this final exam paper and the pages are not in order, you can drag and move the pages out. Like this, you can drag and move the pages. So make sure before you finalize the document, it is in the correct order, the page numbers are in the correct order. So once you have selected, once you are done editing, you can go back by clicking on this icon at the top of the screen. Now you can see that there is the final exam paper of Ali Ibrahim. You can see 3 dots near the file. So you can select on these 3 dots and you can see some icons or some options. So you can share this document with other apps, like you can share this through Viber, Gmail, or a lot of other apps. Or if you want to send it, if you have scanned the document from your mobile phone and if you want to upload it to the portal link from your laptop, what you can do is you can select these options. You can select these 3 dots and the options will come, and you can select send email, and you can send it to a mail that is logged in on your laptop. Download the file and you can upload it to your portal link. So I hope that uh, I have shown you how to scan your final exam papers using this application. If you have any other queries, you can contact me. I will help you out. Thank you.